Hi everyone, and for somebody is new, my name is Steph. Today this video it's about fans who like RGB lights. I present you this microphone which has RGB light inside, and the name is Maono and the model is AU-PM461 series RGB. So let's look at the box like usual. Maono, black and orange. You can see on the front the microphone. On the side they're going to give you some future, and the back too. Let's do the unbox now. Let's open it and let's look what we have inside. Put it here. User manual in multiple language, and after that you see the microphone, knob in front for the volume of your voice. Put it down or put it all the way up. The cable USB, let me show you, USB A and USB B. The small tripod, metal, and the holder. So let's put everything all together. It's not gonna be long, don't worry. Like they said, be happy. It's easy to put everything all together. You just need to take your time. Just before to do the sound test, I'm just going to show you something on the cable. They put this inscription M for Maono, so just put it like on top and that's it. Let me show you something when you plug it in. Just going to tighten it and voila. Let me show you that. So now you can see the light. Let me put it a bit closer. Sorry for my shaking. Okay. And voila. So the volume is down. The only thing you cannot do, you cannot change the color is changing by itself. You cannot adjust the light. You cannot adjust the color. It's like that. I'm sure for fan of RGB light, they're going to love it. And when it's time to speak, you always need to speak here in front, where you have your knob. Don't forget. And now let's do the sound test. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay. Okay, so let's start the sound test. I'm going just to go up a little bit, and now I'm going to put it at half. Sorry for the background. And that's going to be the sound you have when your knob is in the middle. Now what exactly I'm going to do, I'm going to put down the volume here, and voila. Let's put it all the way up. I'm speaking roughly around 6 inches in front of the microphone. Now what exactly I'm going to do, I'm going to put all the way up, so like that. Popcorn, pizza, macaroni, and cheese. Pop, pop, pop. So that's going to be the sound test. I'm going to put it back in the middle and when you put it in the middle, you can feel like a, not a click, but like yeah, if you want, like a click, if you want, to tell you this is the middle. Okay, so that's going to be the sound test. The length of the cable all the way stretch, it's 5 feet, just in case. For the price and for people that love LEDs, this microphone is perfect option for gamer. Okay, what is fun about this microphone, it's good for Apple and Windows. At this time we're recording this video, the price of this microphone is $36.54 before tax Canadian. And if you want the same model with no LED, the price is going to be $29.99 Canadian before tax, and that's going to be the same thing, 461, but no CD, no RGB, is the same thing. The only difference is the LED inside. I hope you like this video about this microphone here, the Maono AU-PM461 series RGB. If you love it, don't forget to like it, and like always, don't forget to subscribe, and see you then another one.